Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka Train Nurse Association of India West Jaintia Hills. Haka khat artarik ujamang arajarpsan. Kalaraki ya ka singi jongki nurse ha Northeast Adventist University. Kli tershi halor kapang. Our nurses, our future. Caring for nurses strengthen economies. Ya ka jingrakhi lasdang da ka jingthang ya ka sharak ha ka jiadon lang ka Kongdari Greta Kharshieng Chief Judicial Magistrate u Dr. Heymon Minyang Block Development Officer Thalashkin ka Kong Larista Doling Principal School of Nursing Baham Sim Nongpo General Secretary TNAI Meghalaya State Branch Nalor Kiwe ka Kongdari Greta Kharshieng Haka jingkren kala ai khublei ya ka kanhun jongki NOS nakabenta ka jing IT bat ka jingno senyang ka bakordor syakatanat ka koi ka khia bat ka emlang ka salang. Kakong Suzy Lewis Chen Vice Principal School of Nursing Dr. Norman Tonal Hospital Jowai haka jingkren kala banjur ya ka benta badon kam e jongki NOS haka liang ka koi ka khia. Ki NOS kimdei tang kinong sumar Hanrei kideiru ki maujam hakokot ka khia. Kala sam ya ki jing ai sobha she ki NOS ki bala shong thai kum ka jing ithu ya ka jing shakari bat jing IT lot ka jongki. Shwakani layo ka jingkren pediang buram na ka kong Bailinda Dakar Principal kom Associate Professor ka NEACON ka Nikon bat ka jingkren khublai na ka kong Lubi Kandia Nursing Superintendent Jowai Civil Hospital kapala long ha ka jialang kapala penya da ka kong Piralin Kharkongor Assistant Professor Nikon